started. So that's the project. First of all, I will clone this project into my local machine, as I have already put all the testing earlier. So for this video I will record everything. So first of all, I will clone the project. Sorry, this is the old project, so we need to choose the new file. I think just a minute. Let's see. Okay, first of all, I think it will be best to download the project, as my project is already saved in the memory, so I don't wanna make it conflict. I want to start with the fresh one. So let's open it with the anti-gravity software editor. So that's the project file which I downloaded. Let's open this. Let's run the test again, step by step. First of all, we need to install the project editable files. And then we will confirm the project installation is going well. Yeah, it seems project installed successfully with the required repository or package. So let's see how we can do the other things. First of all, we need to confirm or add these things to make the test. As I have already run this clean code already in the project repository, so that's why it's giving me this error. Project is already clean, so that's the message. It's saying that the project is already clean. So these two things are added. So let's move on with the other things. It's already clean. This is done. Let's see the rating. Let's see clean code, not saved for clean code. Okay, just few more steps left. This is good. It's showing all the statistic. Very good, it's working well. Let's see. Very well. So pages in the list 1074, pages read 200, average rating 4.5 stars. So that's a very good things. So these are the project. so it is working well. Installation is doing also working, and every command which I am running is also working very well. So I think let's see if I can do any other thing in the project before completing this video. Yeah, it seems like I need to run some test. Let's do this in a new window. Okay, already satisfied. All the requirements are already satisfied. Let's see and run this benchmark. So all the test has been paused. So everything is working fine, neat and clean. So I think this demonstration objective is cleared and sounds clear. I think that's the project. So it's a working, everything is working well. Every test, installation, configuration, commands are working, and these statistics are also working very well, and the benchmark testing is also working very well. All the requirements are fulfilled. Thank you, and have a good one.